Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Venmo private. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I cannot log in at the moment because I'm not in the US. So, of course, for the rest, all you need to do just go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, of course, you'll have to go and create an account. I've already made the videos on how to create an account if you are interested about that. Of course, if you don't even have it downloaded, you'll have to go download it first, and whether you're using Android or iOS does not matter. So, how to make your Venmo information private or how to make your account private. So, all you need to do, of course, first of all, is just go there or open the app, click on the Me icon as example at the bottom right, then click on the settings. You'll find this at the top right. Once you do so as example, you will have to go and click on privacy settings. Once you click on privacy settings, you'll find a private or make private option, and you can simply turn that on and you should be good to go. So example in here, as you said, me, click on the gear, go to privacy, and simply you can put this public, friends, or private. So to provide more visuals, let's just see if there is. So yeah, here there's a videos. So once you click on the settings, you'll find yourself here. So as you said, we will have to click on privacy. Once you click on privacy, you'll find this on public. You can simply make it private and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.